Hey you guys, so tonight we are going to make a cheap and easy barbecue chicken pizza. So let's get into it. You guys, I'm using Naan bread and I got these Naan breads on the clearance rack for $2.20. So that's gonna be our pizza crust. I'm just gonna put a little bit of barbecue sauce on it. Yeah, I got this on sale at Safeway. I don't like paying full price for too much of anything. You guys, I got this Lloyd's barbecue chicken from Walmart for like $5.47, $5.50. So this is what I'm gonna use on my pizza, quick and easy. And I got my $1.50 cheese from Safeway. A little bit of that in here. And y'all, this is already cooked, so pretty much after it goes on here, it's just gonna get cooked through, or the cheese is gonna get melted. And you guys, I like red onion on mine. I have red onion at home. And y'all, I like red onion, so I'm gonna put a lot of red onion on mine. And in the oven they go. Okay, you guys, this is what it looks like right out of the oven. And it's nice and crispy. Okay, they both want to come off. And y'all, I like to top it with some cilantro.